How to make money on Fiverr as a middleman without skills. How to make money on Fiverr as a middleman without skills is what I am talking to you about today. Do you know that you can make money on Fiverr as a middleman without skills? I will explain how it goes to you in this video. Someone said, I will rather attempt to do something great and fail than attempt to do nothing and succeed. Wake up and make money on Fiverr as a middleman today. You have no excuse. Almost all of us are middlemen in something, but we do not just carry the title of middlemen. Let me give you examples how we have been middlemen before, and then I will come back to its applications on Fiverr. Number one, you have helped someone who is unavailable to secure and pay for a house before. You serve as a middleman between the landlord and the tenant. Number two, you have helped someone to buy a car in the absence of the person. The person gave you money based on trust and reliability, and you brought the good car as promised. What did you do? You serve as a middleman between the car seller and the actual car owner. Number three example of middleman is a servant of Abraham in the Bible. The servant served as a middleman in getting a wife for Isaac. Isaac did not leave his house to search for a wife. The servant did the searching and toasting and delivered the job, which is a wife to Isaac. When Isaac saw the wife, he liked her and she became his wife. Number four, most drivers of big men or of companies are great middlemen. The driver will take the car to the best car wash in town that even the boss does not know and wash the car. The car washer does not know the boss, and the boss does not know the car washer. It is only the driver that knows the two of them. The driver is a middleman. The same applies to mechanic and many others. Enough of those examples of middlemen. I am sure now you understand the concept when I said how to make money on Fiverr as a middleman without skills. It does not mean without skills, so to say. In the example above, the driver had information about best car wash in town, about best mechanic in town. That is a skill, sir. Abraham's servant knew the qualities of a wife and where to search. That is a great and a big skill, man. I know you are enjoying my story today. I am a master storyteller. If you need someone to develop stories for you or a write-up or script, let me know. I am going to do that for you as we discuss. My phone number is 08036910988. 08036910988. If you call me and message me on WhatsApp, then we can talk. Quickly, back to Fiverr. You can make money as a middleman without skills. The steps to take to make money on Fiverr as a middleman without skills are as follows. Number one, create a niche Fiverr account with at least 7 gigs, as I have explained in my previous videos on the Fiverr playlist on this channel. Number two, make sure your pricing is above the average selling price on Fiverr. If for a particular gig you created for basic, for premium and for standard, the price for basic on Fiverr is $15. For standard is $25. For premium on Fiverr is $50. Your own price will go higher than that, maybe by $10 on each of the gigs. Your price should go up higher. You see, sometimes on Fiverr we want to go for the $5 and we say you get a job for $5, but many people have been disappointed. They go for the cheapest and they get the poorest work done for them. So what you will do is to raise the bar. Many people see high prices as good work. When you raise the bar, they will come to you still. So make sure your pricing is above the average selling price on Fiverr. Number 3, promote the gig on social media so that you will have many buyers. Number 4, make sure your delivery time is longer than the average delivery time on Fiverr for that service. Your delivery time must be longer. If the average person on Fiverr is delivering that job in 2 days, you put it that you deliver it in 3 days or in 4 days. Some buyers see the longer the time that, okay, the person is going to take his time to do a good job, or they do a good job. So you can give a longer time. Then number 5, as the orders come in, give them to other sellers on the same Fiverr to do for less than the price that you charge and for less than you gave. So you are charging $15 for the job, you get someone that can do it for you on Fiverr for $5. You have made a difference. That is what we call middleman. That is what we call arbitrage. That is what we call working on Fiverr without skill. Number 6, when the person delivers the job to you in 1 day or 2 days, and you have given the owner of the job, the original person that gave you the job, 3 days, you will also deliver the job to the person who gave you the job. You must have some capital to start, because you have to deposit to Fiverr for the person working for you. Now let me explain this. Number 7, you must have some money, some capital. If the task you are given is going to be for $50, $100, you must have that in your Fiverr account, such that when somebody gives you a job, then the person will pay to Fiverr, not to you. The person pays to Fiverr, the money will be in with Fiverr. It is when you deliver the job, after 3 days, the work is delivered, Fiverr will take 21 days before they pay the money to your account. But when you give the job to somebody else immediately on Fiverr, you must also deposit with Fiverr. So that initial deposit, you must have it so that you can kickstart the process. Number 8, keep promoting your gigs and others will keep rolling in. You keep giving the jobs to others on Fiverr. Keep your money made. Keep being a middleman of Fiverr. That is exactly how to do it. Keep being a middleman on Fiverr. That is exactly how to do it. That is how to make money on Fiverr as a middleman without skills. Take action and you are going to be glad you did. My name is Olubenga Adetutun and I am the brain behind this YouTube channel where I bring information on money making, on success and victory, on motivation, on how to make money from every area of life that I know, that I come across. I do research, I think, I brainstorm. Like this one, I've never seen on YouTube where anybody talk about middleman on Fiverr. What they talk about is how to make money on Fiverr without skill. I have termed it being a middleman. Take action. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Like this video, share the link of this video with your friends, and then watch more of my videos. I have close to 600 videos as of today, and many more are still coming in. By the way, let me just mention, I have a 30-day challenge in the month of September. Today is September 6th. I have a 30-day challenge, and that challenge is to do 1 video per day in the month of September. What is your own 30-day challenge for September? Wake up and set goals for your life and for yourself. By the time the goal is achieved in September, we set a new goal in October, set new goals in November, set new goal in December, and then the year is running up. Then we set new goal for the following year and for each of the days. I'm going to talk to you some other time again. Bye for now. Now, some people have been trying to contact me personally, and they're asking me how they can contact me personally. If you desire to have one-on-one discussion with me, you can send me a WhatsApp message via 080-36910-988. 080-36910-988. Just send WhatsApp message only and ask your question, and I'm going to respond to you. If you desire to have one-on-one discussion with me, you can send me a WhatsApp message via 080-36910-988. Just message me only, and I'm going to reply you. Bye-bye.